Welcome back to Modern Pulse. Today, we're diving deep into the striking exterior of the 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. This flagship sedan from Mercedes-Benz continues to set benchmarks in automotive elegance and innovation. The 2025 S-Class carries a legacy that stretches back decades, a symbol of prestige and design evolution. This year's model pays homage to its storied past while boldly stepping into the future. At first glance, the car's silhouette is both commanding and refined, with smooth lines that flow from front to back like a perfectly composed symphony. The front fascia is where the presence truly begins. The iconic Mercedes grille has been subtly reimagined, larger, more sculpted, and finished in high-gloss chrome. It radiates authority. Flanking the grille are the ultra-slim digital light headlamps, which are not just aesthetically sleek, but also packed with cutting-edge technology. Each unit contains millions of micro-mirrors, allowing for precise illumination while adding to the futuristic appearance. The hood is long and elegant, adorned with subtle creases that enhance its sculpted look. From the side, the 2025 S-Class reveals its elongated profile, accentuated by a stretched wheelbase and frameless doors that seamlessly integrate into the body. The flush-fitting door handles remain hidden until the driver approaches, popping out with smooth precision, a small detail, but one that screams modern luxury. Moving to the wheel design, Mercedes offers a range of alloy options up to 21 inches, all featuring aerodynamic contours that reduce drag while adding visual drama. The side mirrors are sleeker than ever, integrated with LED indicators and designed to minimize wind noise. Chrome accents along the window line provide a touch of sophistication, while the character line running along the belt height adds a dynamic edge. At the rear, the 2025 S-Class delivers a design that's both graceful and powerful. The LED taillights are slimmer, wider, and connected by a thin chrome strip, which enhances the sense of width and stability. The rear bumper features a dual exhaust design framed in chrome, giving the car a sporty yet elegant conclusion. An integrated lip spoiler subtly improves aerodynamics while maintaining the classy demeanor of a luxury sedan. Mercedes has also introduced new paint finishes for 2025, including deep metallic tones and satin matte options that elevate the visual impact. Each finish is applied through an advanced multi-layer process, ensuring durability and a flawless gloss. Every line, curve, and surface has been wind tunnel tested to deliver not only aesthetic appeal but aerodynamic efficiency. It's this seamless marriage of form and function that makes the S-Class a true design marvel. In terms of its legacy, the S-Class has always represented the pinnacle of design for Mercedes-Benz. With the 2025 model, that tradition continues, sharper, smarter, and more striking than ever before. It's not just a car, it's a statement. And for those who understand design, the exterior of the new S-Class speaks volumes without ever saying a word. Thanks for watching Modern Pulse. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth looks at the future of automotive excellence.